So good, guys. This is kimchi. Pelmeni. Ahmad. Ahmad. Amushi. He's sleeping. This is so good. So good. This is absolutely delicious. I'm so hungry, guys. It's so late. So good. Oopsie. I smothered them in butter. Очень вкусно. This is delicious, guys. So yummy. Oops, one broke. Pasta and meatball. This is so delicious. Yummy. You guys hear the noise? It's either Ghosty or Ahmad snoring. Both of them. I'm staying up late today because I'm making those. Making a big batch and then I'm freezing them as an emergency food. Yummy. Oh. I always can't stop eating those. Love me some pelmeni with sour cream and kimchi sauce. Oh, Ahmad. He's sleeping, guys. He's tired. Oh, this is delicious. Crunchies. What is this? This is flour, guys. It wasn't my highlighter, it was flour. Natural highlighter. I'm recording a video.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't see something.
You're sleeping.
Oh, sorry.
Well, this is delicious, guys. I was quiet, now I can talk. Ahmad woke up. Well, I will be wrapping up. I'm running out of kimchi, but this is good. I'm just gonna go and continue cooking. Actually, guys, let me show you the stash that I already made. Let me take you to the kitchen. 1 second. Sorry, don't mind my little hairs, but here, guys, see it? So those are, wait. Those in the freezer. They're gonna go into Ziploc bags. I'm gonna portion them. Oops. And this is my prep that's going on here. So yeah, that's why I'm staying up late to complete Pelmeni prep project. Anyways, thank you for joining this little impromptu vlog slash mukbang of Pelmeni. If you guys enjoy our content, like this video, subscribe. Let me know if you've ever tried Pelmeni. I mean, each nation has their own type of dumplings, so let me know. And make sure you subscribe, help us grow this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully Ahmad will not be sleeping then. Bye, guys. Ghost is like literally in between my legs. Bye, guys.